Hello, I'm Mrs. Harper, and I'm going to be your college prep math teacher this year. And this little video is just going to show you a couple of things on how to navigate around in PearDeck and a couple of the issues that students run into when they're signing up for these three platforms. Thank you for coming out and taking care of this, and I look forward to a great year together. In college prep math, we use PearDeck to house all of our lessons. So I want to show you a couple of little tips and tricks that'll make it easier to navigate in PearDeck. First, if you came in and your screen, you have a big screen, then you were able to see the slide and the video that you were supposed to be watching. If, however, you were on a smaller screen, then you didn't have that option. So let me just kind of show you what it looks like for a smaller screen. So if you're on a phone or you've got your tab very small, when you came into the PearDeck presentation, all you saw was a slide. Now, if you notice that the little Perry guy is down here, then you'll know it's interactive. If you clicked on this link, it would take you to YouTube to watch the video, or you can look down here. Anytime you see Perry and you're on a small screen, look for the green box in the bottom. If you click the green box, it'll toggle to the video or the question. Click the green box again and it takes you back. So I just wanted to show you that in case you're working on a smaller screen. I'm going to go ahead and make my screen big for the rest of this. Okay, so after you've done whatever's on a slide, these arrow keys in the bottom are your navigation. If you ever get on a slide and it says audio included, it'll always be a tag up here at the top. Well, then you'll scroll down, click on the little headphones at the bottom, and it'll bring up a play bar. And you can listen to the audio instructions. When you've finished whatever's on a slide, go ahead and click forward. There's going to be questions. So this question, the reason I'm asking it is I want you to double check which class of mine you're in so you can get onto the correct Google Classroom and select the correct class in Khan Academy and Delta Math. So to type in an answer, you just type in the class that you're going to be in. And if you click outside of it, it accepts the answer. And then you forward arrow key. Now, a couple of things to notice on the Joining Google Classroom. This link is live. When you click it, it's going to take you to Google Classroom. You won't be able to copy and paste the codes because when you click on a slide in PearDeck, unless it's a hyperlink, it's just going to make the slide get bigger or smaller. So go ahead and click into the hyperlink. And when you get into Google Classroom, go up here to the top, press the plus key and join class, and type in the code for your class. Now, the cool thing about PearDeck is once I've sent you to a link and you've done the work and you're finished, always go back to the PearDeck tab and continue on. So we finished that class. We're just going to go here to the bottom and we're going to forward arrow key. Asks a question, just making sure. So either click no or click yes, and then forward arrow key. Khan Academy is the second platform you're joining. So again, pick the class that you're in. When you click on that hyperlink, it's going to take you to Khan Academy. And you'll notice right here at the top, it says join 5B College Prep Math. So make sure you're in the correct class. If you've done Khan Academy and other classes, just go ahead and log into your existing account. If you've never been in Khan Academy before, create a new account and answer the questions. Use Google Classroom or your Google login or Google sign in for Mesquite ISD, and you'll have to allow it permission. Once you're in Khan Academy, you're going to go back up and go back to the PearDeck presentation, and we can just forward arrow, answer the question, yes or no, were you able to get into Khan Academy, move forward. The last one is Delta Math, and I've pointed it out here on the slide, but this whole class, making sure you see this one, most people just kind of miss that that's an option. So you're going to write down this code, 313214, and then we're going to go to Delta Math. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here at the top. If you've already got an account in Delta Math, you can sign in. Otherwise, you're going to create an account as a student, and you're going to put in the teacher access code 313214. And then this is the big one. Make sure you select a class. And then also be very, very careful. Type in your email and then type it in again. Don't just copy and paste, so that you don't copy and paste mistakes. That's pretty much it. So when you have finished joining Delta Math, go back into PearDeck, answer the last couple of questions, and I look forward to meeting you guys soon.